I just finished editing the video we're about to watch. It's not of me cooking, it's of my wife baking. Baking what, you might ask? She is baking her world famous banana walnut bread. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's a list of all the ingredients you are going to need. Feel free to pause the video and write these down so that you can follow along. Alrighty, so you are going to add your sugar into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to go ahead and add your butter. Make sure this butter is room temperature, make sure it's nice and soft. If not, you're not going to get the desired texture that we're looking for. You mix it, and something like this should be the final result. Just sugar and butter, nice and fluffy. You're gonna go ahead and mix in the 2 eggs. My wife put 1 egg into the mixer, and as it started to mix, she cracked in the 2nd egg, as you will see right here. Boom. Boom. Right there. All right, now that that's nice and whipped, you're gonna set that to the side, and we're gonna mash our bananas. So here she is, mashing the first one, and look at these bananas. They're pretty ripe, okay? You want them to be pretty ripe, you want them to be nice and sweet, you want a strong banana taste. So there goes the first one, then she's gonna add the second one. Here goes the second one. And then she's just gonna give all that a good mashing. Yes, that is a word, mashing. As in, I am mashing these bananas. Look at that, beautiful. Next, we're gonna add in our sour cream. Just get a scoop of that. There we go. There's no need to mix the sour cream in with the bananas because this whole thing is going into our mixer. Look at that. So remember, in our mixer currently sat the butter and sugar. So now we're adding the rest of the wet ingredients. We're gonna mix this real good, really good. If you don't have one of these mixers and you gotta do it by hand, I am sorry. I am so sorry. But the final product, regardless if you're doing it by hand or with one of these fancy mixers, is this. Yes, it might look too runny, but it's not too runny. All right, now off to our dry ingredients. We're gonna sift all of our flour into another mixing bowl. Gonna sift all the flour and keep on sifting. Look at that. Siphon or sifting. I don't know. It's one of those. You're going to add your cinnamon. Look at that. Cinnamon going in. We're going to go ahead and add our baking soda or baking powder. Same thing, pretty much. It's going to give the same rising effect to this walnut banana bread. All right, also go ahead and add the salt. Then we're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients. Look at that. Once all the dry ingredients are incorporated, we're gonna put them into the bowl with the wet ingredients, and we are going to mix. Mix. You can either put all of the dry ingredients in at once or portion it out and do it slowly. Whatever you prefer is fine. However, the final product has to look like this. This right here is what we're going for. You see, it's not dry and it's not very liquidy. It's pretty firm, like a soft ice cream. All right, we're gonna get our walnuts, and they look pretty finely chopped already. However, my wife wants to chop them down even further. So, hey, when she's holding a knife, I do not argue with her. And there you go. You just fold them in to the batter. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna get our little pan. Get our little pan and grease it up. Well, we're greasing it with butter, so I guess butter it up. Let's butter up the pan. Now that the pan is buttered, we're gonna go ahead and put in our mix. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that, it just fills the whole little pan. And I'm not about to show this on the video, but all this stuff that's left over in the bowl, I ate it. I ate it, y'all. And it was delicious, and I don't even feel bad about it. It was so good. Oh my God, it was so good. There's the final product just before we stick it in the oven. Oh, and yes, the oven. Preheat that baby to 350. Y'all see her? Yeah, she's the baker. All right, so after 1 hour, here we go. We're gonna take this bun out of that oven. Looks beautiful. Look at that, looks ready. So we let it sit for about 20 minutes, let it cool down. And now we're gonna pop it out. Look at that, oh my goodness. Comes right out. Look at that, let's cut it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Here it comes. Let's see, let's taste it. Let's give it a little taste. That's me, handsome. Oh my goodness. Hey, I'm back. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I know I enjoyed it, and I know that bread was really, really good. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, all that jazz. And if you didn't like this video, I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that one.